In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom Airtable app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a clear idea into a working app using Airtable's built-in Omni Builder. This walkthrough keeps things simple and focused, and I'll add helpful context so you know what to expect at each moment. First, head to the Airtable website in your browser. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser and make sure you're in the workspace where you want the app to live. Once Airtable loads, look to the left side of the screen for the Create option. It's your starting point for building anything new. Click it, and a panel or menu will open with ways to create new bases, interfaces, and importantly, apps. From that menu, choose Build an App with Omni. Omni is Airtable's guided builder that uses your plain language description to assemble the right tables, interfaces, and logic. Think of it as a smart assistant. You describe what you're trying to accomplish, and it drafts the structure for you. Now, you'll see a prompt field. This is where clarity pays off. Type a concise description of the app you want, including the key objects you'll track, any relationships, and what you want to see or do in the interface. For example, specify the main records you care about, important fields like dates, statuses, or owners, and the workflows you expect, such as approvals or handoffs. If you have preferred views, like a Kanban for status, a calendar for deadlines, or a dashboard, say that here. Keep the language simple, use concrete nouns and verbs, and avoid sensitive data. A focused 2 to 4 sentence prompt usually works best. When your prompt looks good, click Build It and give Airtable a moment to work. You'll see it assembling the app based on your description. Larger or more complex prompts can take a bit longer, so keep the tab open and let it finish. During this step, Airtable is mapping your intent to tables, fields, and interface elements behind the scenes. Next, click Build It again to confirm and finalize. Airtable will generate the app and open it so you can see what it created. Review the layout, skim the tables, and glance through the views to make sure the essentials match your intent. If something feels off, refine your original prompt with clearer wording or more specific details and rebuild. Iterative prompts often produce the strongest results. That's it. You went to Airtable, started a new project, used Build an App with Omni, wrote a strong prompt, built it, and confirmed the setup. From here, you're ready to explore what Omni created and start working with your new custom Airtable app.